Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ruzul Nikmane, roll number 22327, and my class is AC7, batch F7, and my group members are Abhilash Raut, roll number 22332, and Sahil Saigal, roll number 22334. Our project topic is password-based door lock system using Arduino. In this project, we implemented a circuit for for the password-based door lock system using Arduino with the help of Proteus software simulation and for coding of Arduino, we used Arduino software. So in this presentation, we are going to talk about the objectives of this project, then circuit diagram of this project, then working of the project, application of the project, then conclusion and future scope. And after the presentation, I will show you our Proteus simulation and the code. So let's start. So as we know, security is one of the important aspects in our day-to-day life. So as the technology advances, the security also is advancing with the moving technology. So in this way, we try to implement a code which takes password from the user and verified it with the default password which the user had set to control the door, that is, may open or close the door. So let's start. The objective of project is to ensure the security of door with the help of Arduino program and to design a password security door lock system using Arduino and motor. So in this project, so let's move towards the operation principle of this project. Then in this project, we have initialized a default message on LCD with the help of Arduino that you have to enter the password to unlock the door. So then, if the user enters the password, we checks it with the original we have entered in the code or Arduino and verify it. Then, then, uh, then we will open the door if it is correct with the message shown on LCD that access granted, welcome. And the password the user enters is displayed on the LCD screen as asterisk because of the privacy or encryption issue. So and if the password is wrong, then it will uh, it will show password is wrong, you go away. Then this is the circuit diagram of this project. We have used the LCD display to show the message on the screen, and it is connected to the Arduino with the help of analog pins, and we have used the keypad to enter the password, to access the password, and servo motor to control the knob of door for opening and closing of the door. And this is the connections of our project. We have connected keypad pins to digital pins of Arduino and motor to D9 of Arduino, and we have connected 16 LCD display to two analog pins A0 to A5 of the Arduino. So working of this project. So in this project, we have defined the default password 0123 in the Arduino with the help of a code which have written on Arduino software. We can change it also. So when the user enters the password, it will match the password stored in the Arduino, and the Arduino will command give command to servo motor which has set the position current default position. Then it will rotate 180 degree to open the knob of door, and it will give also command to LCD that access granted, welcome. So in the 5 second, user has to enter inside the door, or otherwise after 5 seconds the uh, Arduino will give another command to the motor that then it will rotate 180 degree in the opposite direction now, and the knob of the door is closed and door will lock automatically, and the default message is showed in the LCD display. And the user if the user enter the wrong password, then it will show that Arduino will display the message on the LCD that code incorrect, go away. So in this way, our project works. So let's talk about the application of this project. And the project-based password-based door lock system is used in various applications. We can use to provide security to our uh, homes, lockers, and many other properties things. Industrial areas such as offices and factories. We can give security to residential homes and garages. We can use it for commercial premises, include shops, restaurants, and hotels. We can use it for high security areas such as banks, ATMs, lockers, etc., and storage and warehouse facilities. So let's move to our conclusion of this project. We have successfully implemented the password security lock system using Arduino, and with the help of components, we have implemented a simulation using Proteus software, and we have done the coding part of Arduino with the help of Arduino software. So, password based door lock system using Arduino can provide us security against any crime, theft in your day-to-day life. People can install them in order to stay safe, secure, and sound. So using this system, robbery, thefts, and crimes can be avoided to a large extent. So the system can be used to improve the security of house, and we can also add some extra features in this security system, such as alarm. If the password entered by user is wrong, then it will beep alarm and alert the alert the owner of that system, or owner of that door about the theft or some message. So thank you very much for listening to presentation peacefully. Now let's move towards our coding part and then simulation part. So this is our code. This is our code. We have included the three libraries, that is keypad library for keypad, and then LCD library, that liquid crystal, and then servo motor library. So, and we have then defined LCD pins which are connected to Arduino, and here we have defined a current password as 1234, and we have defined the keys here, and we have defined the pins of the keypad here. Then we go to setup. In the setup, we have defined a display screen function which will display the default message on the screen, and we have attached here the servo motor, and then we move to the main wide loop. The position, then default position of the servo motor is set to default, then it will display the message, default message, with the help of display screen function. Then we will if user enters the password, then it will get and store to the character. Then uh, then uh, it will show asterisk there, and then it is compared with the password which have default set. And if the password is correct, then it will we define another function, that is unlock door. And if the password is incorrect, we have defined another function incorrect. So now let's move to the function unlock door. This function, the we we have printed a message, access granted on the LCD screen son, and welcome. And then after 5 seconds, the door will automatically lock again, and current position is set to 0. And we again display the default message with the help of display screen. And then second function is incorrect. If the password is incorrect, then we will print the message on LCD, that is code incorrect, get away. Then we will again clear the LCD, and default message print with the help of display screen. So now we will move to the function display screen. If the display screen, we will enter the message, enter the code to open the door. So now let's run the program. And now let's run our simulation. So the default message is shown on the LCD screen that enter the code to open the door. Now if I enter the correct password, that is 0123 0123, then it will show access granted, welcome, and motor will rotate like this. And after 5 seconds the door will automatically that when message is displayed get in within 5, after 5 seconds the door will lock automatically. It's relogging and locked again, and the motor will rotate again in the opposite direction. Now if I enter the wrong password, then it will show the message code incorrect, get away. So in this way our presentation works. So thank you for listening patiently.